Hey guys, so this is Brian with KayDogCreations again. I just wanted to show you guys the package I got in the mail. It is, of course, DnD Daisy Soak Off Gel all-in-one. It's the DnD Duos. I call them the DnD Duos. Comes with the regular nail polish and, of course, gel polish. So this is number 670. This one is called Still a Kiss. Now I do 650 Floral Coral, 707 Sweet Nothing. This one's actually really pretty. Purple Glass, number 703. This is really pretty. 698 Amethyst Sparkle. This one is like a purple burgundy. This is really pretty. Moon River Blue, 694. 693. Sugar Spun. That's a little bit darker. 679 Pink Mermaid. Now, if you guys are wondering where I bought these on eBay. So you guys can actually get them on there. 677 Red Ombre. Strawberry Candy, 519. I really want to do something with this one. This one's really cute. Rogue Couture, 647. 642 Magenta Aura, 641 Pink Temptation. These look almost exactly the same. Okay, well they're not. This one's way darker. 618 Peach Buff. 597 Lavender Dream. That is pretty. 595 Velvet Cream. Okay, I could definitely wear this one. I see myself wearing this one. This one, I bet you anything, would be very popular. I'm positive that this would be a very popular color. 594 Mulberry. 590 Rose Water. Did I say Rose Water already? Oh, this one definitely looks broken. Oh no. Ooh. Broken. So this one is called Sea by Night, 526. 460 Deep Mystery. This is a really pretty gray. 443 Twinkle Little Star. Or, I thought it was going to say Twinkle Little Star. Oh yeah, Twinkle Little Star. 423 Glitter for You. It's like a gold glitter, like a champagne-y gold. 418 Butternut. Is it just called Butternut Squash. Butternut Squash. And last one, Purple Heart. Now, like I said before, I did have doubles. I had 6 doubles in here, so I took them out. And yeah, this is the last one. So yeah, if you guys actually liked color in here, let me know down in the comments which one you liked. If you guys are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I will be posting more content, a lot of unboxing stuff, because I did order a lot of things on eBay. Most of my stuff I get from eBay, so the times differ when they get here, because sometimes I do buy stuff from Hong Kong and whatnot. So if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!